What's driving markets? Welcome to Market Take. Each week, we'll bring you our insights on the latest market and economic trends that are impacting investments. I'm your host, Michel Dilmanian, portfolio strategist at the BlackRock Investment Institute. This week, we discuss how we're adapting our short-term tactical views in light of recent market developments. U.S. policy shifts and advances in artificial intelligence have driven dramatic market moves in 2025. We stick to our core risk-on framework, yet we fine-tune our views. We think tariffs will be a key U.S. policy tool. 10% blanket tariffs plus 25% tariffs on Canada and Mexico would push the U.S. effective tariff rate near 1930s levels. We see more risk of higher inflation and lower growth, keeping the Federal Reserve from cutting rates soon. Resilient growth, solid corporate earnings, potential deregulation, and the AI theme are reasons U.S. equities can keep outperforming. Q4 earnings have so far delivered the broadening of growth we expected. Yet we watch for triggers for a view change, such as earnings losing steam. Tariffs risk hurting euro area growth more than they would lift inflation, we think. This reinforces our preference for euro area government bonds. In the UK, markets have moved closer to our view on lower Bank of England policy rates, and we think concerns about the fiscal outlook will linger. Here's our market take. We stay overweight U.S. equities on a solid macro backdrop and the AI theme. We upgrade euro area government bonds to overweight on heightened tariff risks, and we trim UK gilts to neutral. Emerging markets look especially vulnerable to the growth hit from tariffs and any worsening in global risk sentiment. We go underweight EM local currency debt. For details, read our weekly market commentary. Go to www.blackrock.com/weekly-commentary. Thank you for tuning in. If you have enjoyed this episode, subscribe to Market Take wherever you get your podcasts.
This material is intended for informational purposes only and does not constitute investment advice, a recommendation, or an offer or solicitation to purchase or sell any securities, funds, or strategies to any person in any jurisdiction in which an offer, solicitation, purchase, or sale would be unlawful under the securities laws of such jurisdiction. The opinions expressed are as of the date of publication and are subject to change without notice. Reliance upon information in this material is at the sole discretion of the listener. Investing involves risks. BlackRock does and may seek to do business with companies covered in this podcast. As a result, listeners should be aware that the firm may have a conflict of interest that could affect the objectivity of this podcast. For more information, visit blackrock.com.